The headlines are everywhere. AI is coming for your job. This creates massive anxiety. But here is the truth about the future of work. AI is not here to replace people, it's here to replace tasks. The jobs of the next decade won't be about eliminating humans, but about creating augmented humans who can achieve 10 times more. Let's look at the new skills that will make your career future proof. The change is fundamental. AI is exceptional at automating dull, repetitive, data heavy tasks. This frees up human time. The value of your work shifts from doing the task to directing the task. The biggest salary jumps will go to the 10x employees, the ones who can use AI to achieve 10 times the output of their peers. The most immediate new skill is prompt engineering, or what we now call context engineering. It's the ability to communicate precise, complex goals to AI. The better you are at structuring the initial context, the better the AI performs. This skill is critical for every job, from marketing to management. Next, AI tool stacking. No single AI does everything. Tomorrow's most valuable employees won't just know one AI. They'll know how to connect several specialized tools to build custom, automated workflows. This requires a systems mindset, understanding how to integrate AI to manage entire projects autonomously. Finally, ethical oversight and vetting. As AI becomes faster, the human's role becomes the final arbiter of truth, ethics, and safety. You must be able to spot AI hallucinations, understand inherent biases, and ensure compliance. The human veto is the most important check in the entire system. The future of work is not about becoming an AI coder. It's about becoming an AI director. Master these three skills: prompt engineering, tool stacking, and ethical vetting, and you will not only survive the transition, but redefine your career's potential. This is AI Simplified. Like, share, and subscribe to secure your place in the AI revolution.